Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you do not know who I am, my name is Charlotte Alvarez, but you can call me Jay. And if you are new to this channel, hi, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video, we'll be using the Morphe Boss Move 35M. And maybe I was thinking about using some orange colors, and we'll be using a lot of orange colors, and maybe some dark colors also. So yeah, if you want to know, of course I do not have an idea yet of what I'm gonna do, but we're just gonna go through it. We're just gonna flow with it. So if you want to know what I get, what kind of look I get, continue on watching. Okay, you guys, so I already showed you the palette we're going to be using, and of course I'll be doing one eye on camera and off camera, just to make this video a little short. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys on into the face. Alright guys, I think you're close enough, okay? Way too close. Okay, so like always, of course we'll be using the Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and this is the original one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a sponge to set that in place. And I'm gonna go in with the Clinique Foundation Plus Concealer and put that on top of that primer. So this will be our base. So that is all primed up in base. So we're going to go ahead on and go in with the palette we'll be using today. I'm going to go ahead and get a Morphe fluffy brush. Has no name. I'm just going to go with it. So first color we'll be going in is with this brown nude shade, and we're going to go ahead and use that as a transition color. Alrighty, going in with a different brush. This is also a Morphe brush. We're going to go in with this orange color right here. I'm going to go ahead and blend that out in the outer V corner, bringing it to the inner corner of the eye. Alright, and from there we're going to go in with a more fluffier brush, this brush right here, and go in with this darker color here. Just going to go ahead and apply just a little bit because that dark shade is like really dark and they're really hard to work with. So as soon as you put like a little small spot, go ahead and blend that out because it's really hard to blend. So I'm just going to get that on the outer V and blend that out to the middle. So earlier today, actually right now it's 8:20. And just like probably an hour ago, I got to talk to my sweet baby Roman. I'm gonna show you a picture of him. He was in the hospital for something, something very critical, but thank God everything turned out okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all a picture of my baby. And my heart melted when I found out what was going on, but thank God everything turned out okay. But this is my baby right here. This is little Roman. Yeah, so something very critical happened, but thank God everything turned out okay. But anyways, that my baby, he's actually my trainer's kid. Yeah, such an adorable baby. But yeah, that's my heart right there. So anyways, going on. Anyways, if you guys in the Hammond, Louisiana area need a trainer, y'all go ahead and hit up my trainer, Pete. I will go ahead and leave his information down in the description box if you are from the Hammond, Louisiana area. So yeah, shout out to you, Pete. But yeah, thank God that my baby is okay. So that's the good thing. That actually made my night way better because I was so worried about him. So anyways, yeah, so much love for that kid. So yeah, so going back to the makeup. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and blend out that dark shade color. And I'm going back with that first shade, that orange shade, and pack it on that with the black. Good enough. And with a flat brush, I'm gonna go in with this shimmer shade orange color. I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch for y'all. This is how it looks like right here. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and use that and put that right to the inner corner of the eye and making it up just like a cut crease. And that's what we'll do. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a flat brush. And the flat brush I'll be using is the Morphe M224. And I'm gonna go ahead and get the Morphe setting mist. Spray some of that on that brush just so we could get a little more pigment and have more of that shimmer on the eye. And so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this shade, pack that on the brush, and then we're gonna go ahead and pack it on the inner corner and making our way up to the middle. Alright, so that's how far I'll be going. So I'm going to go back in with the orange shade and just cleaning it up right here in the middle so it won't look too weird. That's the eye. So I'm going to go ahead and do the eye off camera. Of course, we're not going to use any lashes. I don't think there is no need for lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. You guys don't go anywhere. Alright, you guys, I am back and I finished the other eye. I popped on some lashes off camera just to make this video a little short. And of course, everything I use in the video, I will put it under the description box, so don't worry about that. So now going to the face, and before I even started the video, I already applied my Glam Glow. This is a moisturizer that you can put before or after foundation, but of course I used it before foundation, but I did that off camera already. So I'm going to show y'all what the product looks like. This is how it looks like. And so yeah, going on with a primer, I'll be using the NYX Photo Loving Primer. Okay, any foundation I'll be using is the Huda Beauty Foundation, and I am in the color Butter Pecan. Go ahead and put a few little dots here. And I'm going to go ahead and use a beauty blender to spread that everywhere. Alrighty, and from there we're going to go into concealer and contour. And for concealer and contour, I'll be using the e.l.f. foundation palette. I decided to get this palette and use it as concealer and contour just because these are not my colors. I'm going to go ahead and show you the inside. I'm going to use this shade right here for concealer and probably like this darker brown for contour. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a flat brush to spread that out. Doesn't show actually very much. It's practically my color. I'm gonna just go ahead and add this and go in also with the Clinique concealer. So this is the Clinique concealer, and in the color CN10. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix these up two together. And then go ahead and go in with that dark contour color. Okay. Gonna go in back with that beauty blender and blend that out. Go ahead and grab some Airspun face powder and put that on top of that concealer. Let that bake just for a few. Okay. And for bronzer, we're going in with the Huda Benefit bronzer. That's how it looks like. And I will be going in with an angled fluffy brush. Alright, so go in with a fluffy brush. And this is a Morphe E41. I have not actually used this brush. This brush is actually new. I have not used it. And I have a lot more Morphe brushes. I just don't like to use them because I like to have them as a collection. Yes, I have a brush problem. I'll probably do a video on all the brushes I actually have. All Morphe brushes, because I have so many brushes, Morphe brushes, so we'll probably do a video on all the brushes I actually have. So stay tuned, because I'll be showing you guys all of my brushes. Alright. And for blush, like always, I'll be going in with the Morphe blush, and this is in the color Spirit. So I'm going to go ahead and grab one of these brushes. Alright. Next, I'll be going in with highlights. And I actually got this in the mail today. This is the e.l.f. Jelly highlight, which I'm pretty excited to use. I'm gonna go ahead and open it for y'all, and this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some of that on my, not so much. Oh, I should have never done that. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Just gonna go ahead and put some. Oh shit, okay. Thinking about getting like that beauty blender and then ooh, you have to spread this out real quick because it's a little dry. I have to get some much. You know what I probably might do is put that on the inner corner of the eye so you get some just a little bit, and the Morphe brush. You know what, I probably better clean this out. That should be good enough. Alrighty. I actually forgot to brown and contour my nose, so we can go ahead and go in back with that Huda and get in a pointier corner, that angle brush. Alright, and I'm gonna go back in with that palette, get like a brush. And go back in with that orange, go under the eye. Get some of that dark and just alright, that should be good enough. And for mascara, I'll be going in with the Voluminous Lash Paradise. And I'll be going on the little lashes. And for lips, I'll be going in with the e.l.f. lipstick, and this is in the color Blushing Brown. Going in with setting spray. We're going to go in with the Morphe setting mist. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. This orange smoky eye with a shimmer orange. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys loved the look, and I will see you guys next time. And once again, if you want me to do anything, please leave it below the comments, and I will for sure do a video just for you. So I see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.